Hi, I'm going to solve practice question for solving problem trigonometry. So since number 5 and 6 involve bearing, so I would like to remind you what the direction should be north here and south, east and west. Okay, let's go through number 5. A small plane flies 64 on the bearing 215. So it's starting from 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and here is 270. So bearing starting from north and clockwise. So this around here. Okay, apologize. Okay, here is 215 degree. (64 kilometer). So how far south? Here south, plane from its original position. Okay, let us find this angle by 215 degree minus by 180. So we got as 35 degree. So we'll find the this south line. Here this adjacent, and we got hypotenuse, so we'll use cos. So we can go cos 35 degree equal to adjacent divided by 64 kilometer. So the adjacent or the south is gonna be cos 35 degree. We multiplied with 64 kilometer. Let's use a calculator. So the south. So I will use the calculator. 64 we multiplied with the cos 35 degree. Okay, so it will give you the answer of two decimal places. It's gonna be 52.43 kilometer. Yeah, let's go through number 6. Okay, since this is use a bearing again, so this is, let us draw it, north, south, east and west. 120. So 120 starting, it's gonna be here. This is 120 degree. Okay, 650 meters per hour after 3 hours. So let's the distance fix it. So 650. This is per hour. So after 3 hours, it will provide us, so 650 we then multiply by 3, it's going to be 1950. So we need to find the east point of x. Okay, east point. So east point. So if this is 120, so this is going to be 30 degree. And here the remaining is going to be 60 degree. And this line is going to be 1950 meter. So let's proceed. So to find the east, so this adjacent and hypotenuse, so we'll use cos. So this cos 30 degrees is gonna be east. We divide by 1950. So east gonna be 1950. We multiply it with the cos 30 degree. So the east, you can use a calculator. 1950 we multiply it with the cos 30 degree. Okay, so it will give us the answer of 1688. Yeah, 0.75 meter. Next, let us find the south. So we also adjacent and the hypotenuse. So we'll use cos 60 degree equal to adjacent or south. We divide with 1950. So the south is gonna be 1950. We multiply it with the cos 60 degree. So 1950 we multiply it with the cos 60 degree. So it will give us the answer of south is 975 meter. Here is the east. Okay, take a look this for number 7. A hiking that slopes upward at the angle of 18 degree. Okay, a hiker walks 600 up. Okay, so this is the hiker of 18 degree. Walk 600 meter. Okay, this is 600 meter. How high? So we'll find here how high. Okay, opposite of the angle, opposite and hypotenuse. So we'll use sin. So sin 18 degree equal to the height divided with 600. So the height is gonna be 600. We multiply it with sin 18 degree. So please use a calculator. So 600 we will multiply it with the sin 18 degree. So this will give us answer of 185. Yeah, 0.41 meter. Okay, number 8. 9-meter height vertical mobile phone mast on the level concentrate slab is support 2 wires 10 meters long. Each wire attached to the top of the pole and to the slab. Angle between. Okay. So the height is 9 meter. Number 8 is number 7. By 2 wires. Okay, if this is 10, so this is the wires. It's gonna be 5 meter and 5 meter. We need to calculate the angle. Okay, this angle we need to calculate it. Okay, look at the opposite of the angle. So we can just use sin. X equal to opposite is 9. Then we divide it by 5. Then you can just use a calculator sin. Here power of 1 or inverse x 9 over 5. So sin 9 divided by 5. Where's the inverse? Yeah, I don't think I have that inverse. Yeah. Yeah, we need to use the sine inverse. So let us read again. 9-meter height. Okay. Vertical mobile phone mast on the level constant slab is supported by 2 wires 10 apologize 10 meters long. Each wire is attached to the top. So this is not 5. So each wire is 10 meter. Okay, so here is 10 or 0.9. So we'll use a calculator sin inverse x equal to 9 over 5. So we will got the answer. So the inverse, so write 9 over 10 equal to x. So x is gonna be the angle. So let us write it sin inverse of 9 over 10. Yeah, so this is gonna be 64.2 degree. The angle is 64.2 degree. So calculate the distance from the bottom of the mast to the point where the wires were attached. Okay, we need to find here. So we can use cos 64.2 degree equal to adjacent. Here the adjacent is x, we divide by 10. So the x gonna be cos 64.2, we multiply it with 10. Please use a calculator. So cos 64.2, we multiply it with 10. Okay, so here is 4.36 meter. So this the distance from the bottom of the mass point where the wire attached to the slab is 4.36. Okay, there it is. I will continue for the next part. Last 3 questions. Thank you.